My name is Glenn, and this year I'm supporting the Masuna Walk, which is an initiative of the Victoria Falls Children's Trust in Zimbabwe. So in less than 4 weeks, on the 26th of June, a team of dedicated volunteers, some of which are trustees of the Victoria Falls Children's Trust, will be embarking on a 126-kilometer walk from Victoria Falls all the way to Masuna. This isn't new at all. This is the 16th year that some of these guys have been doing the strenuous walk from Victoria Falls all the way to Masuna. So what is the Masuna Walk? The Masuna Walk is a charity walk that started by local residents about 16 years ago in Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe. They saw an opportunity to assist and support education for some of the orphans and some of the underprivileged children living in Victoria Falls. And that's where they started. Things that were needed were like school fees, stationery, education material, clothing and shoes. And that's how it all started with this fantastic walk. The dedicated team of walkers helping raise funds for this charity start their walk on the 26th of June, and they only have 5 days to complete it. The GoFundMe page has been set up, so we'll now accept donations. Please follow the link below and donate. Thank you for your support.